Hello, my name is Kaustubh Tambade. I am assistant professor in computer science department. We are going to see MIME and SMIME. What do MIME stands for? MIME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. The MIME is a standard which was proposed by Bell Communications in 1991 in order to expand the limited capabilities of email. What are the limited capabilities of the email? Means in before SMTP was used, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, the message should be in bits format. So only message was gone, audio, video, images. We can't say that in a SMTP protocol. So MIME is a supplementary protocol or add-on which allows a non-ASCII data to be sent through an email using SMTP. It allows the user to exchange different kinds of files, data on the internet like audio, video, images, etc. As I told you. MIME is an extension to the Internet Mail Protocol. So, email messages with MIME formatting are typically transmitted with a standard protocols like SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Only mail were gone, not files like audio, video, and images. POP, Post Office Protocol, and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. Although MIME was designed mainly for SMTP, its content types are also important in other communication protocols. Example, in HTTP protocol for World Wide Web, server insert and a MIME header. What's in by MIME header? We see a further beginning of any web transmission. So here is a simply a workflow of a MIME for when user agent A sends a mail through a user agent B. So we are going to send through a MIME. What is a MIME? Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. So when we send a audio, video or image, it is in non-ASCII format. So we send a audio or video in non-ASCII code to the MIME, and then MIME converts that into NVT ACII code and sends to email system, and that email system sends that ACII code sent by MIME to a MIME in a receiver side, and that MIME converts it into non-ACII code and sends to the user agent. So this is simply a workflow of a MIME, how non-ACII code can be passed through a email system by using MIME. In a SMTP, we can't share audio, video, or photos, but in using MIME, we can share audio, video, and images. Why MIME? Because there were some limitations for SMTP protocol. SMTP was very simple structure. Before it was a very simple structure. SMTP can only send message in NVT 7-bit ACI format. Only simple message, not audio, video, and images. It cannot be used for languages. Do not support 7-bit ACI format such as French and German. It cannot be used to send a binary files or a audio or a video data. So in order to make SMTP more broad, we use a MIME. In SMTP, there were some limitations to when we send a mail. It was in very simple format, but using MIME, multipurpose internet mail extension, we can send a video, audio, or a images in through a email system. So we are going to see a MIME header. What's in my MIME header? It is added to the original email header section to define a transformation. There are 5 headers which we add to the original header. First is the MIME version. Which version we use? MIME version is required header indicating that the message is used to rules of the MIME. So the current version is 1.0. It is the only currently defined MIME version header allowed. So second is content type. Define types of a data used in message like audio, video, and etc. Third is the content transfer encoding. Tells the tells a method using for encoding. Which method we use for encoding? It will be 7-bit encoding or 8-bit encoding. Which header tells content transfer encoding. So fourth is a content ID. It helps in uniquely identifying the message. And last is a content description. It defines whether the body is actual image, audio or not. So this play a main role in a MIME. So SMIME means what? Secure multipurpose internet mail extension. It is a secure version of a MIME. It encrypts the email and provides security. Encryption is added with data in unreadable format. It allows us to digitally sign a email to verify ourselves as a legitimate sender, and also encryption and decryption of mails uses asymmetric key cryptography, means private key also and public key also. So here is a simple example of a SMIME. So after sending a mail, we see here that connection is secure. Means what? We use a secure, for a security we use a SMIME, which is secure multipurpose internet mail extension. So here is a real world example for a SMIME. So we are going to see functions of MIME. We get a authentication, message integrity, non-repudiation, privacy, and data security. Authentication means what? If A sends a message to a B, that the A means properly message should be sent to a B without any modifications, and only message should be gone to a B. Then it is told to authenticate. Message integrity, data should be in secure form. Non-repudiation, if any sender sends the data, he can't refuse that I have sent the data. Privacy means data should be a private, and data security, our data should be in secure form. So there are services of SMIME. First is digital signature and second is message encryption. Thank you.